with, of course, the official Trump coin, Trump meme coin, whatever you want to call it. Of course, as some of you may have heard, basically Trump announced that the top 220 holders would be able to come to an exclusive dinner with the President of the United States. And of course, that has caused the price to pump quite a bit because there was basically a bunch of crypto whales that were buying the token. This kind of makes sense in the sense that I suspect there's lots of key players in the crypto industry that want to speak with Trump, and this is potentially basically one way of doing it is you basically just buy enough to be in the top 220, sorry, and then you can meet Trump and you can try and shilling him your meme coin or whatever. Or take a photo, right, and then try and pump up your crypto that way. So I'm sure that there's a lot of interest in that sense. One thing I will note is that a lot of people are saying, oh, this is happening just as there's unlocks happening for the Trump meme coin, and that this is just a way of pumping up the price just so insiders can exit. Maybe there's some truth to that, but from what I've seen and from what we've actually researched at the Coin Bureau is that these token unlocks actually don't tend to have that much of an impact on price. Typically, prices will crash before because retail investors will panic thinking that insiders will sell. But what often happens is that, again, it depends really on the crypto, but most of the time what will happen is that the unlock happens and then the people who get those tokens, they will just gradually sell over time. Like, it's obviously not in their interest to just immediately dump because then the price goes down, then there's not enough buyers coming in. It's in their interest to kind of gradually sell and have as minimal of an impact on the price as possible and be selling when prices are rising rather than when they're falling, which is what they've been doing for the last couple of weeks, right? This is something that a lot of people forget, and it's just crazy how we still see so many people saying, oh, unlocks, and that means that all these altcoins are going to keep crashing, when historically it really depends on the altcoin in question.